So, welcome to today's class on how to create a new Facebook ad account. Friends, in this class, we are going to learn about the uh, creation of a new Facebook ad account. So, in order to create the account, first we need to let's jump into the Facebook ad account now. Okay, just wait for a while. Yeah. So, this is our Facebook. So, just before entering into the Facebook, first what we have to do, just you go back. Okay, just type here facebook.com. Okay, only facebook.com we need to type. Yeah. So if you are already logged in, wherever you have left in your Facebook, you will be redirected to that page only. So whenever you enter into the facebook .com, friends, you will see that here you will be having so many accounts here. Okay. So you can also see all the pages, profiles. Okay. Your profiles and pages can be displayed over here. Okay. So this is one of our clients. This is myself. This is another myself, client business. This is also myself. All these are the my. So presently three client businesses are there. Okay, and remaining are my businesses. Okay. So anyhow, so presently we are on this page. We are on this page. So for these it is showing that Ads Manager, Ad Center, Meta Business, Professional Dashboard. Okay, all these options are showing over here. Okay, so in order to switch to page, it is saying that switch to page, create promotion, and you can also see here what are the other apps, other different kinds of options we have in this Facebook page. So on the suggested features, we will have all these this kind of things. Okay. So in order to create the new Facebook ad account, what we have to do, uh, we can go to the Facebook ad account. All these are the accounts we have already created accounts we will be having here. So for example, if you want to create uh, professional ad account, uh, you need to enter into the settings or go to the Meta Business Suite. Okay, go to the Meta Business Suite. So this is the business ID of this ad account. Okay, so here you will be having Meta Business Suite, and these are the some of the drafts. Okay, draft means if you add any uh, the images, then you will be having, but you are not published any ad that will be considered under the draft. Okay, that it shows that you have entered into the ad manager, but you are not created any ad. You are not completed the procedure of the creation of ad till the completion of the process, the publishing. So it will be added into the draft only. Okay. So now it is showing that we are on the page of Musa Welfare and Education Trust. This is the business page. Okay. This is one of the business page. So you can also edit the cover page. Okay. Here you can also edit the cover page over here. And then here you can also see number of followers. Okay. Recently I have um, asked my followers to like this page. Then some of the people have liked the page and they are also become the followers. Follow. I have requested to follow this page, then they have shown the interest. Few members have been started following. Okay. So now we have to enter into the settings. Okay. You have to go to the business meta suite and then you have to come up here. Okay. And then you have to come here. You will be redirected here and you can go to the ad account. Okay. Add account. Here, add account. It is asking to add the ad account. But in your case, friends, you will be having create and add new ad account. In your case, presently it is not allowing me to create a new ad account because I already have 7 to 8 ad accounts. So presently, it is not allowing me to create the new ad account. It is showing that you will be able to create or claim more ad accounts after several weeks. Okay, because uh, there is a Facebook policy uh, that it will allow the new ad accounts after the successful running of the present ad account. So that's why it is not allowing me to create the new ad account. In your case, you will be having this option to create a new ad account. Then you can enter into that ad account and then you have to give the ad account name. So in my case, for example, uh, you can create a Facebook business page and coming to the new ad account, uh, you can create an ad account by your name as it. For example, I am Syed Nizamuddin. So I can create my ad account as Syed Nizamuddin. Okay. And I have to give my details over there. So ad account will be created. I have to give a little bit information regarding the personal details, then ad account will be created. I can give my personal name to create the ad account, or I can also give my business name to create the ad account. Okay. So there are any name, whatever the name I give on that name, which with that name, the ad account will be created. So we need to remember this one. Okay. So like this, the ad account will be created. For example, if I would like to see the ad accounts presently, whatever we have, so I can see all the ad accounts whatever we have. Okay. So business portfolios, all these are five business assets. This is one ad account. This is another ad account. Okay. This is another ad account. This is just a page here. Okay. This is page. This is Instagram page. All the things, the business assets are have been shown up here. Okay. For example, if you want to see this one laptop world ad account, you can see whether this page is having the laptop world ad account. Have you seen here one person? Okay. So so this is ad account and digital software shop is also having ad account. That means I have given the name of the businesses and that through that name the ad account has been created like that. Okay. So once after creating the ad account, for example, laptop world, if you click up here, here you will be having the ad account ID. Okay, this is your ad account ID, ad account access. For example, if I want to give this ad account access to someone, then I can give the name here. I assign people. I can give the assign someone. So for example, to digital Nizamuddin, I would like to give the complete full control to manage that laptop shop, then I can give the assign. I can assign the access. One people have been added. Have you seen here? So it will come up here one ad account. So people will be assigned there. Okay. Don't be worried. It will show up there. For example, if I refresh this page, I can see that the Facebook business page laptop world can be assigned to the Nizamuddin email ID. To the email ID, it has been assigned. So ad account. So the ad account access. So he is having the access. I hope these person is only having that email ID. Okay, same email ID. So that's why it is asking. For example, if for these ad account access I would like to give to some another person, I can assign them. So in order to give the assigning, I can type the name of the person. Okay, Digital Nizamuddin. I can type here Digital Nizamuddin. Okay. So if it is there, it will come up here. Or we can search the select the person. Okay. I can select the person. If I again trying to add this person, it will say that it is already added. Okay. Or okay. So he is now able to give the complete, take the complete access, can manage the full ad account. Okay. So for example, so like these friends, we need to create the ad account. Okay. In my case, as I've shown you, I'm not having the enough space or enough access to add the new ad account. Okay. So this is how we need to create the ad account. So if you go to the people here, whatever the people you are added in your ad account, you can see here. And what are my partners? Partners means the businesses which I have got the access to manage. All those are my partners. Okay. So like that. So this laptop world is shared with the partner Sheikh Nizamuddin. Okay, like that. So I hope you understand. If, for example, if I go to my only normal account, I can see that. So these all these people are having the access. Okay, for my partner account. And then friends, we have to give the access. We need to clear the pages. We need to clear the pages access. For example, this laptop world shop is there. Laptop world shop. So this shop access I would like to give to someone. So page access, we need to go to the page access. So to whom I have given the page access to full control to Nizamuddin. Okay. So next one, add account access given, and then Instagram, and we can also connect the laptop world, this business page. Uh, we can connect the Instagram and WhatsApp accounts to the laptop world business also. Okay. So do remember, so on behalf of these business, same business should have to be also created on the Instagram account first, and Facebook also. On the Facebook also, we should have a separate business account on the WhatsApp and Instagram. Then only the same business can be attached to the laptop world on the Facebook. So this is Facebook business account, right? And similarly, in order to connect that business account from the Instagram and WhatsApp, we need to have to create the Instagram and WhatsApp accounts separately. And then if we type the same name, uh, then the details will shown up here, and we can add that business here over here. Okay, I hope you understand now here. Okay, so this is how we can create the new ad account, friends. I hope you understand it clearly. So thank you so much for being connected.